guys, TheGamingLineHD here, and today we are playing White Noise Online with Nazboz, also known as Blintlin, and also known as Luke, and Joshi, also known as Joshua. I'll put a link in the description to Luke's channel, aka Blintlin's, and there's me, obviously, Drops Tempers, also known as TheGamingLineHD. So we're going to be doing White Noise Online on hard mode and random location. So Luke, if you like to start it.
Go.
So if any of you haven't saw or heard of White Noise, I'll go check out my first video. It explains a bit what it's about. And we're on Iceland Ground, I think. Ground Iceland. So Luke, are you the boy or the girl?
Boy.
Okay. I'm gonna run off. Bye.
I knew that too. I'll find out.
I ain't scared and no slender. I've had a tape already. Screw you guys.
Pick it up.
Let's go in the cave, John.
Come here, one.
It's dangerous to go alone. Okay, guys, can you come back please before I pick this tape up? I don't want to. Guys, I'm fuzzing up. What's happening? Hello, right, follow me.
Yeah, that tape thing Josh was actually saying.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. Guys, why did I start fuzzing up when it says it's dangerous to go alone? Come on, John.
I don't know that.
Get in the house, come. I'm leaving me, yo.
That's a total pop. Guys, everybody follow me because I got the chicken nuggets. Guys, why don't we go through that cave? Which you said that you heard like a...
There should be one up here.
Man statue. God, that gave me a
Bring this tape, we're going for it.
same.
Guys, leave me
Yeah, see, that's it.
Okay, you get that one.
there. With a cop, I have minus 1 speed on.
Hello, Daphne.
I'm Daphne. You're Shaggy. He actually is though, kind of. There's that
Good boat.
that you can
He's getting closer.
There's a cave.
Guys, he's getting
where Ben died.
No, crap, no.
No, Josh!
You know,
Yeah, I lost you guys, and then I was walking on my own, and then I literally just walked straight. And I went. Or can I wait till I'm a ghost? I don't. I'm just scared.
Brandon, are you behind me?
Yeah, I'm right behind you. I can hear him. He's behind me, I bet.
Okay, so again.
If you find a church, there's one in like the grave.
Wait, Luke, we can't split up, okay? Because,
Coffin.
right, oh, that's
This one should be near here. Right, go find a church.
we're halfway there.
It's probably the best episode.
Yeah. Both got 2 Luke now.
Weirdly enough, there's like birds tweeting. Yeah, it's actually outside.
Like 2. Okay, right.
Right, I'm gonna get
Oh, I haven't seen him in ages.
Okay, there's some pieces.
near the wall.
I got it.
No, perfect. Fuck me. No! Fuck, run! Run!
Luke, I didn't even see him. He just turned me around and killed me.
What did he do? Just like grab your shoulder?
Yeah, no, I didn't even see. Like, I saw him obviously, and ran to the left behind Luke. And as I was behind Luke, I didn't even turn around. I was looking at Luke, and then all of a sudden, he just turns me around and kills me.
I think I'm at a dead end. Oh shit, nice there. Fuck off! I want to complete this.
Or you've got to come.
Luke, do we see the transformation even if we're dead?
Not probably.
me know because Luke says when you collect all the tapes, you turn into the monster.
He's right behind me. Oh.
No!
Shit.
Yay, I collected those.
Oh, so I'm gonna replay.
Look at this. That we barely even got like.
And Josh dies in a minute. Okay, this is where I think this is where Josh dies.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because then he's following behind, but he can't quite see us. And then he catches up with us.
Get one more. Oh, we should have went down a bit.
And then, yeah, this is where Josh dies. Is it?
No, I've already died, look, in the bottom right corner.
Someone that died.
Alright.
This is where you died. I guarantee there was like a tape just down here.
Okay, well guys, thank you all for watching. Well guys, as you just heard, thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe please, and like if you like the video.